What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Jasmy, which is up 9.5% today, flirting with that 3 cents resistance area. We covered Jasmy quite frequently on this channel here, talking about that possible resistance of 5 cents coming up and that deep buy signal that we recently got last week. We have a $1.4 billion market cap, and in my personal opinion, Jasmy is getting ready to rip. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Jasmy. This is the chart we've had drawn for a while here. You can see the next main resistance is around that 5 cents area, which we did touch back in March of 2022, and it was a support in October of 2021. Now, if we look the lifelong fib here from top to the bottom, we are holding fantastically at the 382. The next main resistance area that we need to focus on here for Jasmy is around that 0.5 to 618 area at 5.7. I'm going to draw a rectangle box here as a resistance for you guys, and we'll keep that drawn there throughout our future updates. So that's green right now. We're to make that red. But yeah, as of right now, Jasmy's not looking too horrible. Jasmine definitely has a deep reversal signal, as you can see on the WTX at the bottom, which we will go over here. And then on top of that, if we draw the micro fib, the micro fib is actually the microfib actually just broke above the 786. For example, if we draw, oh shoot, for example, if we draw this right here from the high to the low, and then erase that one that we just drew, you can see that we did happen to get above that 786 we were talking about in the last TA video. So this was a higher low right here. We did talk about this very deep buy signal we got on July 14th. The last time we got a buy signal was October of 2023, which if you've been in crypto for a while, you know that's when altcoins bottom was October 2023. And look what happened after that. We rallied 14, almost 15x from that last buy signal. Very similar situation with the RSI. The RSI is at a normal bottom area where it's bottomed in the past. And we've definitely put in a higher high here. Now we do have a downtrend resistance area to keep an eye, but that's way up here. I'm really not too concerned with that whatsoever. If anything, that means that Jasmy has room to run to the upside, because as the RSI goes up, you know, the price follows suit. Now, if you look at the MACD did flip bullish as well about 3 days ago after a very lengthy bearish movement right here. So bullish the last 3 days, starting to make larger and larger engulfing candles. So in my personal opinion, the next resistance for Jasmy is going to be around that 4.5 to 5 cents area. Now, if we look at the downtrend that we've been experiencing since June of 2024, we can obviously see that that is now broken. So we are officially trend reverse. We are officially bullish here on Jasmy. Now, if we look at the longer term time frame, say the weekly time frame, this is where things start getting interesting. So the weekly time frame, you can definitely see these higher highs and higher lows starting to take place. We do get a double sell signal right here. I'm not really too concerned about that. We did get a lower low, but I'm really not too concerned about that either. I do think we are about ready to enter the parabolic phase of the bull run, which in turn meme coins and altcoins such as Jasmy are going to start ripping very hard. So we are gearing up for some big stuff here for altcoins. Jasmy's looking very strong in my personal opinion. I guess you can say the worst case scenarios are retracing back down to 2.5. I don't think that's to be the case, but I guess you have to be, you know, play both sides of the coin here. Or retrace like that, then I rally to the upside. But I do think we are going to be heading up to the 2024 all-time highs at about 4 or 5 cents. And then once you get over that 5 cents area, as we've talked about at the beginning, which is the resistance right here, we can go to infinity and beyond. And like I've mentioned, Jasmy, you know, a lot of people are saying that a dollar's not possible. There actually is a fib around that area. I mean, look at, there's a 1,236 fib at about $1.16. So I wouldn't be surprised if Jasmy during the bull run did flirt around with this general area and top out at about a dollar, a little bit more than a dollar. So from 2 cents where we're currently at, you know, that's about a 50x. I mean, we're at 3 cents now, so do the math there. But regardless, Jasmy, my personal opinion, is bullish right now. Even on the day chart uptrend right here, if we go off of this wick, this wick, this wick, if you were just playing these wicks, look at this uptrend support. Every time we've touched the bottom of this, we've started rallying very hard. And then if you actually do this too, we're actually forming a channel, which if you play channels, every time we've touched the bottom, we went up to the top. So the next resistance area it would be right up here at the 618. So in my personal opinion, Jasmy's officially bottomed, and now it's time to start making some money. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.